Hey there, curious minds. Welcome back. Today we're diving into something, well, super important for your home, especially if you happen to live in, say, Coquitlam. We're talking about keeping your sewer pipes happy.
Yeah, it's maybe not the most exciting topic at first glance, but it's crucial.
Exactly. We've been looking at some insights from Pacific Blue Mechanical, and it seems like regular sewer inspections are a really big win for homeowners.
Oh, definitely. What's fascinating, I think, is how these checks aren't just, about fixing problems after they happen. It's more about prevention and all the good things that come with it, like saving money and just keeping your home environment safe and healthy.
Okay, let's unpack that a bit. Why are these checkups so important, maybe specifically thinking about a place like Coquitlam?
Well, first up, the big benefits, the huge ones. Regular checks help you avoid massive, and expensive repairs later on.
Right. The kind nobody wants to deal with.
Exactly. They catch the little problems first, things like tree roots starting to creep in or maybe small cracks in the pipe.
Before they become those big, really yucky messes, right?
You got it. So that directly translates into cost savings for you. Huge cost savings, potentially. And just as important, it's about health preservation for your family, preventing bad smells or worse, actual sewage backup in your home.
Ugh. Yeah, nobody wants that. And here's something else that Pacific Blue Mechanical highlights that I found really interesting. Knowing your pipes are in good shape actually helps maintain your property value.
That's a great point. It really does. Think about it. If you ever decide to sell your home, having proof of a well-cared-for sewer system, that's a big plus for buyers. It shows you've looked after the hidden stuff, too.
It gives you peace of mind as the seller and the buyer, too. Takes away a big unknown.
Absolutely. Peace of mind is a huge, maybe underrated benefit here.
So, okay, this raises a question, though. How do they even, look inside your pipes? It's all buried underground.
Yeah, good question. You don't want them digging up your whole yard, right?
So definitely not.
So in places like Coquitlam, the experts use some pretty cool tools. Things like specialized CCTV cameras. Think of them like tiny little robots with cameras on the end.
Okay.
They go right into the pipes and send back a video feed. So the technician can see everything, every crack, every blockage, any root intrusion without any major digging.
Wow. So they can pinpoint problems really early then.
Exactly. Non-invasive and very effective for finding those issues before they escalate.
So bringing this all together for someone listening in Coquitlam, they decide, okay, I should get this checked. Does choosing a local company like Pacific Blue Mechanical you mentioned make a difference? Are there extra advantages?
Oh, absolutely. Choosing local, especially for this kind of work, can be a really smart move. Local folks, they just know the area, right? They understand Coquitlam's ground conditions, maybe the common types of pipes used there, the age of the infrastructure.
Things that might affect the sewer line specifically.
Precisely. They know what problems are common in that specific area. Plus, if you do have an emergency, they can usually get there much faster. And often, they offer more, let's say, tailored solutions because they understand the specific context of your home in that community.
Wow, okay. So much to think about from something as simple as a sewer inspection. This deep dive really shows how, taking care of this hidden part of your home in Coquitlam brings a ton of benefits.
It really does.
You're saving money in the long run, keeping your home safer and healthier, and even making it potentially more valuable.
It all comes back to being proactive, doesn't it? That knowledge, knowing what's going on and acting on it, that really protects your home, your biggest investment probably.
Well said. And hey, if you want more details on this, you can always check out the information from Pacific Blue Mechanical on their website.
Good idea.
So here's a final thought to leave you with until next time. What other hidden parts of your home, the unseen systems, might need a little checkup just to make sure everything is, tip-top? Something to think about.